go. Got the old Mazda going. It's George. Look at the Honda. Wow, they're going fast. Oh yeah. Mr. Rickham's alive. Oh, he's got a bit wide. George is catching up on him. Bit of rubbing going on. Oh, nearly. Rick's hanging on. Keep it going, Rick. Got wide. George is just on the limit now. Look at that go. Rick, oh, he's really flying now. Oh, wheel off. It's a bit wide on that corner though. Yes. Oh. You kid. Nice. Hey, she goes, buddy.
I think I need more air in my tire.
Yeah, you're drifting out that bottom corner a bit, yeah? Rick, you're drifting a bit on that bottom corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's getting a bit more grip. He's keeping up on the inside a little bit. But you're faster than him.
Put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Might help, man.